In this video, you will learn how to change the battery in your Guardian Power Series Neo panel. You may need a flathead or Phillips head screwdriver. Before getting started, first go to customercare.guardianprotection.com and log into your account. Select System Info on the left-hand side, and then select Test My System. Locate your AC adapter and unplug it from the outlet. Locate and open your main control panel. The control panel may be secured by a lock or key or secured by screws. If you don't have the key, please plug your system back in and contact Guardian's customer care team. Once the panel is open, locate the battery. It's typically at the bottom of the panel. Next, disconnect the black wire connector from the negative battery terminal. Then, disconnect the red wire connector from the positive battery terminal. You may need to wiggle the connector slightly for it to come loose. Be sure not to use any sharp objects to remove the battery. If the battery is damaged or you cannot remove the battery, stop immediately and call Guardian. If the new battery has plastic terminal protectors, remove them before connecting the wires to the new battery. Place the new battery in the panel. Connect the red wire to the red plus terminal and connect the black wire to the black minus terminal of the battery by pushing the connector firmly onto the terminal. The system trouble signal should clear once the new battery has had time to charge. Close the panel box by securing any screws or turning the key to lock it. Plug the AC adapter back into the lower power outlet and replace the retaining screw. Once the power is restored to the panel, be sure to test your system before having it removed from test mode. For assistance, please call 1-800-PROTECT or go to customercare.guardianprotection.com. Lastly, please dispose of the old battery properly. To find a recycling center near you, please visit call2recycle.org/locator.